Good afternoon. I have just returned from Buckingham Palace, where I accepted an invitation from His Majesty the King to form the next government of this great nation. I want to thank the outgoing Prime Minister, Rishi Sunak. His achievement as the first British Asian Prime Minister of our country, the extra effort that will have required, should not be underestimated by anyone. And we pay tribute to that today. I have no doubt that the work of change begins immediately. Have no doubt that we will rebuild Britain with wealth created in every community. Our work is urgent, and we begin it today.